Welcome to Paperguide, your all-in-one workspace to read, manage, and write research. With Paperguide, researchers, students, professors, bloggers, SEO writers, and other professionals can enter a prompt to receive tailored content, can conduct literature reviews 10 times faster, and save all their research in one place. They can also collaborate, take notes, and speed up writing and journal approvals. Key features include the AI Research Assistant, Reference Manager, and AI Writer. Now let's explore how to use Paperguide's AI Writer to create content for a dental blog. With the writer, you can start a new document or edit an existing document that you created earlier. Let's click on New Document, which helps you begin by allowing you to enter a prompt. Here, you can enter a prompt to get tailored content. You can choose automatic document outlines to organize your writing from the start. Additionally, you can select from different citation styles, such as APA 7th edition, to ensure easy formatting. Provide detailed context for high-quality content generation. The more specific your prompt is, the better the content will be. After typing your prompt, click on Create to generate your document outline. Now you can see your document with an outline and a content navigation panel on the left. This panel lets you jump directly to specific sections. Next, let's look at the Ask AI feature, which can help you to generate or edit text. While you start to write, one way to make best use of AI is to use the outline subheadings in the Ask AI prompt to generate content. Using the outline subheadings, you can give a custom prompt. In other cases, where you are editing content, you can use options to improve writing, humanize for a more natural flow, change the tone, simplify to make the text easy to read, or translate to convert text into other languages that are supported. Once you enter the prompt, you will see a preview of the generated content. You can scroll down to review it. You can accept to replace the selected text or use Insert below to add content in the next paragraph. If you don't like the content generated, use another suggestion and then switch between suggestions. If you don't want the AI-generated content, use Discard. After reviewing everything, you can click Accept or simply press Enter. Once accepted, the content gets added to the document. You can make further edits to the content as needed. You can use the Ask AI feature on any specific section of your document. Just select the text or start with a blank sentence, and add a prompt providing necessary context. If you don't have a specific prompt, you can use the Continue Writing option within Ask AI. It will automatically write based on your topic and subheading. It will also automatically add citations to support the generated content, ensuring accuracy and credibility. To write a conclusion, simply click on Write a Conclusion within Ask AI. It will generate a closing paragraph that summarizes your content effectively. You can edit and enhance the conclusion by providing additional prompt and make it more suited to your exact needs. To add a citation, place the cursor at the end of sentence where you want to add and click Cite. You can then choose to add a citation from My References, where your previous sources are saved, or search for new references in the research database. Once you click Add Citation, the in-text citation will be added in line, and the detailed citation will be added to References section at the end of the document. You can also type the special character at the rate to add a citation. You can search for references from the public research database, which provides access to over 200 million research papers. Simply search, select, and insert the citation you need. Your content is now ready. For a final step, use Paperguide's built-in plagiarism checker. Simply click on Check Plagiarism to verify originality of the content. You can now see the plagiarism score. For example, this document contains only 8% similarity with content from other sources, giving you a clear overview of its originality. You can also see individual plagiarism matches, with options to review and adjust each one as needed, or add citations where necessary. As you can see, the content generated by Paperguide's AI Writer has minimal similarity with other sources, showing mostly original material. Paperguide helps you create original, high-quality content for blogs, articles, research papers, and much more. From writing and citing sources to checking for plagiarism, Paperguide has everything you need to write confidently and efficiently.